What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Right now we're right here at our shop. I'm inside, but I'm about to go outside. So today we're gonna be selling this truck. I didn't want to sell it, but we have some other plans. I had some plans for this red truck, but they got ruined with my black one, with everything that's going on with it. We're gonna get rid of it and build something else. But anyways, right now I was just taking out my stuff, my last things that I had in here. I'm waiting on the buyer, still gotta take that out, but I'm waiting on the buyer to get here. Right now we're at the shop, we're just chilling. Look at all the mud. What's up, bro?
What's up, man? Yeah, we actually were checking it out.
Oh, okay.
We were here before.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn it on.
Oh, you got your key?
Yeah.
This shit.
Alright, guys, so right now we're gonna go for a test drive.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Alright, so we just made it back. Saying my final goodbyes. Alright, so we just got done talking. The single cab is finally gonna leave. Final goodbye. I don't think I left anything in here. Alright, guys, so she's finally leaving. Alright, guys, so they just left. So we did sell the truck. Had that truck for a long time, and when my black truck started giving me problems, it just ruined all my plans. So I just didn't feel like building it no more. I wanted to get another truck and start fresh.
Hey, wait, as soon as I unloaded it from the trailer, I flipped over. Right?
And this one?
Yeah, look, all that shit broke. Right here. All that
Hey,
shit.
look. Hey, Alec, I bet my steering wheel when I flipped. You flipped over too? Thank God it didn't go, nigga.
Y'all stay flipping.
I know, right? Well,
The alignment's all messed up.
Like, I viene Alec. We're like, bet with Alec. Todo del tuner. Can't caught on fire. But see, first they caught on fire in the front.
Yeah.
And then they caught on right here.
Es el tuner, güey. Está todo aventado aquí.
Leo was gonna leave that bitch there. Leo like, man, fuck this bitch
pour it
there.
out. Oh, like, it just sticks around.
Right?
Nigga, look at these hoes. Nigga, what the fuck?
Swing it!
Swang it.
Go to the ditch.
Yeah, get a swing at once.
Where's the pitch? Fucking edges. We're getting the road.
Ruben Wilden.
I didn't know Whistling Diesel was here.
So right now we're gonna be driving back home. It's around 8 already, 8:30. I'm gonna drive the Ram back since my black truck isn't running. Finishing up on the red truck. Gave it a full detail. Give them your Instagram.
J Silva Detailing. Hit me up. Full details. Aluminum polishing, paint corrections, undercarriage, interior details, everything, man.
Hit them up on Instagram. Alright, guys, so right now is the next day. I've been on Facebook looking at trucks, just searching up single cabs and stuff, you know. I'm actually looking for something newer, so I've just been looking and I haven't really found anything. So right now I'm just waiting on my brother. We're gonna go check out the truck. Should be here any minute. And I know I had told you that we're gonna build the red truck and stuff. I did have a lot of plans for it. I even have parts at our shop, but I'm gonna start selling all of them. Don't get me wrong, it was a good truck and everything, but I don't know, I just feel like I want something newer to daily since I'm always in it. I'm always driving it, I'm always driving around. So I just want something newer. That's why I got rid of it. So the plan was to make my red truck something like this. I'm gonna show y'all now. I had this picture on my phone. I wanted to make it like this, but there's no biggie. We're gonna build something else. My camera got foggy, but we're about to head out. I'm gonna just wait till the camera unfogs, cause Takes like 20 minutes. I hate when this happens. Alright, so we're about to pull up.
We're gonna pick up La Ramona.
I think it's that yellow house. Yeah, it's
Where?
this one.
Right here?
Yeah.
Ahí está La Ramona.
Alright, so we just pulled up. There's a truck.
What's up, bro? Okay. This one was your dad's, right?
Yeah, you remember, right?
Yeah. Y'all moved over here or what?
Yeah, man.
Y'all took the wheels off and everything, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go test drive it. Go around the block.
Oh yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah. So everything's stuck on it?
Just the headers, yeah.
Just the headers?
Pretty much it. Very good.
And how's the engine? Is good with the swap? It runs the same?
Yeah, it runs the same, bro. I mean, other than that, he overheated it because he didn't put water in it and he overheated it.
Oh, okay.
It had like 40,000 miles on it. Yeah, bro.
Test out the brakes too. Is this one right? That
Yeah,
one?
you can tell me this one. Right?
But, damn, my phone flew. Alright guys, so we just came back home. I was looking for other trucks, but I couldn't find any to meet up today. But we're getting some supplies and the computers, that way we can go ship at the warehouse. We brought the computers and stuff right here. We're gonna head that way right now. We can finish up shipping out all the orders. We're gonna be shipping at our warehouse for a few hours. So right now it's barely like 5. So we got a few hours to go. Okay, so we just got done working. It's around 11 p.m. right now, and we did all these orders.
We are.
So
We are.
about to clock out. Ready, Billy?
Yeah. Gotta go to sleep.
We're gonna go to sleep so we can come back tomorrow and finish up. Yeah, it's already foggy. So I was gonna do the outro right here, but I'm gonna wait till I get home since my camera's all fogged up. Can't even see, look.
Wow.
If you come outside, it does that.
Like it?
Yeah, bro, it's clean.
Appreciate it.
What year is it?
It's a 94.
94.
Yes.
Gotta check out Ruben's new whip. He just got the wheels polished.
About to get it washed. Go to the track tonight.
Alright guys, so I forgot to end off the video yesterday, but that is gonna be it for this video. And this Sunday my brother is gonna have his giveaway event, so I'm gonna make a video this Sunday. So after that we're gonna continue truck shopping. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed and I'll catch you on the next one.